Hey guys, this is Shreyas and welcome back to another video. So today, finally I got my hands on the OnePlus 9 Pro. By the way, I keep tweeting about how the sales are going on, etc. So if you're not following me on Twitter, follow me there. So today is going to be a brief video. I'm going to show the unboxing and share my initial impressions like I do with my other phone reviews. Also, a lot of OnePlus 9 Pro videos are gonna come out, and I do have the OnePlus 8 Pro with me. So any video ideas you guys have, comment down below and let me know. I'll try to outweigh what I can do, and I will put those videos out for you guys. So yeah, this is the retail box of it. By the way, if you do end up liking this video, do hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel because a lot more OnePlus 9 Pro coverage will be coming here. And yeah, hit the notification bell as well so that you get notified when I put out those videos. With that said, this is Shreyas and let's take that out. Alright, so today we are going to unbox the OnePlus 9 Pro. And this is the 12 plus 256GB variant in Stellar Black. Now unfortunately this particular color was not sent out to the reviewers. Also there's a bit of reflection over here on the embossing on the box. But yeah, that's about the box. But before that, actually the store was kind enough to give this. And this is actually one of the limited edition Victorinox knives that OnePlus is selling in partnership with them. And this I hardly got in stock. And I thought, why not unbox the new OnePlus 9 Pro using this particular knife. Alright. Cool. Looks nice. Never settled edition. Alright. So I guess slide it out. Okay. Whoa. Paper. Okay. What tool is for what use? It's for that. And okay, we have black foam, and this is the black color knife, not the red one they were selling initially. And yeah, looks like that's it in the box. So cool. Now that is done, let's keep this out of the way and use this to unbox our new OnePlus 9 Pro in Stellar Black. We do have the pull tab, but since we have the knife with us, we are not going to use it. So let's see what would be appropriate. Okay, guess this would be the appropriate one. I mean, it's kind of scary. It's pretty sharp. Ooh, okay. That's very smooth. So enjoy the plastic peeling. Time to slide out the box. This is one of the things OnePlus does really well. By the way, the box feels pretty heavy. I'm not sure why apart from the phone weight. And we have our first look at the phone over here. Alright, pull tab. I'm gonna put this to the side for now, and we're gonna see what else is in the box first. Cool. Okay, so this is a very fat middle compartment. First time. So much is there. Wow. Okay. So with the black one, we get a black silicone cover, and this is way better than the ones that have shipped before because this won't become yellow or anything. So yeah, kudos OnePlus. Good thing you're getting in the box. Okay, that seems like it. Then we have stickers. Then we have the SAR values. Red Cable Club membership again. Booklet. Okay, safety information. And yeah, the letter with the SIM ejector. Let's see this time if Pete has written something different to us. Ooh. That's satisfying. So you can just pause and read whatever is written. I'm gonna carry on. Alright, so this is the 65 watt charger. I'm not sure if it is gallium nitride or not, but I hope it is, and given the size, I feel it most probably will be. Alright, let's keep it over here. And yeah, we have the classic OnePlus red cable wrapped up, and this is a C2C charger because over here also, as you can see, there is a C-type port. Wow, lots of C's in that sentences. Alright, let's just keep back everything. Let's keep that Hasselblad in the corner, if you can see. Let's close our knife because I don't think we will be needing it. But yeah, cool knife, man. Really love it, OnePlus. I will turn off the music completely if required and enjoy it. By the way, this is the NFC area. There's a wireless charging coil icon I can see, and we know all why. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, let's get to the phone. Turning it to the interesting part. Let's take this off. And wow, that's a gorgeous phone. My god. I actually plan to keep the red background just because it will go well with the black. And yeah, no regrets there. It looks absolutely brilliant. Here's a closer look. You can see the camera bump. I think the camera bump is nothing very outrageous, especially because the matte finish here has continued here and there's no discontinuity like the iPhones had. Even the S21 Ultra had the same textures on the back and the camera bump, so I feel it's good. And also the rails are matte black, which is nice. Alright, so the power button and the alert slider is on this side. Alright, and this side you have the volume rocker. On the bottom side you have the USB-C port, the SIM card ejector tool, a microphone, and one of the speakers. Now time to try this out. Although I am not a fan of this never settle branding, I'll take this sticker off. The case is okay, it's a bit flimsy on the sides. I mean, it's not tight and snug, but yeah, the button markations are there and you have the alert slider popping out. Not hard to reach. Wow, that's a firm alert slider, way more tighter than my 8 Pro. So let's boot this up and let's see what's in store. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro. You saw the colors, everything. Now I'm going to set it up and I'm going to tell you about my first impressions after this. Alright, now that the unboxing is out of the way, this is the phone. And I feel the paint job name is pretty apt, Stellar Black. It is a very elegant finish. I really like it. And you know what? I was on two minds about the camera bump. I kind of like it. It's not bad. I mean, it's kind of similar. The ring-like structure is similar to the iPhone 12 series or the 11 Pro. The rest looks good actually, and I love this paint. Oh my god, it feels so great. I don't know why they did not send this to the reviewers. But yeah, I'm glad I went with this. You still have another matte finish called the Pine Green. Could look into that if you're interested in that particular color. If you're not a huge fan of this matte black, or by chance if you got the winter mist colorway, finding it very attractive but then getting irritated by fingerprints, don't worry, channel partner Gadget Shields have you covered. Actually, you can pre-order the 9 Pro skins as well and get your hands on some great collection over on the website. You can go and check them out right now in the link in the description. And if you do not forget to use the coupon code TTO10 so that you get yourself a 10% discount. Now, about my first impressions, this may be a bit heavier than the 8 Pro. I'm not sure, I don't have anything to weigh it, but still I initially felt it was a bit heavier than the 8 Pro. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind, but the dimensions of it, at least the width and the height of it, is slightly lesser than the 8 Pro, and I think the screen size has also gone down a bit. So yeah, it's a bit more ergonomic in terms of fitting in the hand. Yeah, I feel that's a good move, to be honest, because the 8 Pro was actually an excessively huge screen and a lot of people did struggle with it. Another thing is that the thickness of this phone has gone up. Now I feel that there are apt reasons for it because there are dual charging coils, dual batteries. Not just that, the 8 Pro was actually a very slim phone, but the camera used to jut out a lot. Here the camera bump is a lot more uniform with the body of the phone, or the overall phone is a bit thicker. But yeah, I mean, it still feels very ergonomic because of the curved back. And yeah, the curves on the front are very subtle relatively. Alright, next thing is the screen. I absolutely love the screen, and to be honest, I feel this is a bit better than the 8 Pro in terms of brightness and also how it's working. I did not face any stutters. I know a lot of people were saying that few stutters here and there were there, possibly because of the LTPO panel. Now, talking about that LTPO panel, if you guys are aware, in Android 11, there is a setting in the developer setting where you can show the refresh rate. Now, funnily, I don't know if the refresh rate is not being detected by the Android software or what is it, is there an override or not, but I don't see the refresh rate going down below 120 Hz. YouTube app does not support 120 Hz. That was the case with the 8 Pro as well. So there it's going down to 60 Hz, but technically if I'm watching a 30 FPS video, it should go down to that. And also, as they advertised about the always on display with the moving seconds hand, I tried that. It's still showing 120 Hz on that particular screen. So I'm pretty much doubtful how this LTPO panel is working. So going by that, it seems like the battery performance which the reviewers claimed could be true, because I am running it at Quad HD resolution. And yeah, if the dynamic refresh rate does not happen, I don't know what's going on. So that's something I will report back again and confirm thoroughly in the full review. So stay tuned for that and make sure you're subscribed. The fingerprint sensor did move a bit down in the screen. Yeah, it's not the best, but I think it's okay. This reminds me of the 6T I used to own, actually, the OnePlus 6T. And yeah, the fingerprint used to be that low down in the OnePlus 6T. Camera responsiveness, etc. have been okay, but yeah, I will do a detailed camera review for this particular phone and also compare it with the OnePlus 8 Pro camera. Now that the pricing has again settled down and the 8 Pro does have some discounts coming in, the 8 Pro has the potential to be a very good Snapdragon 865 processor phone in the market right now. The 8 Pro actually had the best cameras OnePlus ever had before this. So I'm going to test it out and you guys can decide that if you should wait and go for the 8 Pro or invest in the 9 Pro instead. I mean, that's pretty much it for my first impressions, to be honest. Any other questions, anything you want me to cover in the review, any other video ideas you would like to see, charging tests, speed tests, etc. And I will try to cover them as much as possible. So yeah, that's been it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.